Are you tired of hitting payment limits when trying to manage your business or personal expenses? Have you ever found yourself needing to make a large payment, only to be restricted by your bank's daily transfer limits? If so, you're not alone. Many of us face these challenges, especially when dealing with vendors who don't accept credit cards or when we need to make large transactions quickly. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, flexibility and speed are crucial. That's where services like Plastiq come into play. Plastiq is a payment platform designed to help individuals and businesses pay bills using debit or credit cards, even when the vendor doesn't typically accept these payment methods. But what about the payment limits on Plastiq? How much can you actually pay through this service? To understand Plastiq's payment limits, let's first explore how the platform works. Plastiq allows you to connect your bank account or add a credit card to your Plastiq account. Once set up, you can use Plastiq to pay vendors via ACH, wire transfer, or even a traditional paper check. This flexibility is particularly useful for businesses that need to make large payments quickly, such as inventory purchases or supplier payments. One of the key benefits of using Plastiq is that it can help bypass traditional bank limits. For instance, if your bank restricts daily ACH transfers to $100,000 and wire transfers to $50,000, Plastiq can facilitate larger payments by debiting your account and then paying the vendor on your behalf. This is especially helpful in scenarios where timely payments are critical, such as securing inventory or meeting supplier deadlines. However, while Plastiq offers more flexibility than traditional banking, there are still some limitations to consider. For credit card payments, Plastiq supports major brands like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express as of October 2023. However, there are restrictions on the types of payments you can make with certain cards. For example, personal Visa cards are generally limited to specific categories like rent, utilities, tuition, taxes, insurance, and club fees. Some banks, like Chase, may allow additional payment types, but with lower transaction limits. Prepaid cards are also accepted by Plastiq, but they come with monthly limits. Typically, these cards are restricted to transactions totaling $5,000 to $10,000 per month, depending on the account specifics. While these limits might seem restrictive, they're designed to ensure that Plastiq remains a tool for legitimate business-to-business transactions rather than personal transfers. Another important aspect to consider is the fee structure. Plastiq charges a 2.9% processing fee for both credit and debit card transactions. This fee can add up quickly, especially for large payments. However, for those looking to earn rewards points or miles on their credit cards, this might be a worthwhile expense. Plastiq is not meant for personal transactions like sending money to friends or family. It's designed for business-to-business payments or legitimate expenses like rent, utilities, and tuition. This distinction is crucial because it helps maintain the integrity of the service and ensures compliance with financial regulations. In terms of specific payment limits, Plastiq itself doesn't impose a maximum payment amount in the same way banks do. Instead, the limits are often determined by the payment method you choose, e.g., credit card limits or bank transfer limits. However, Plastiq does facilitate large payments by allowing you to debit your account directly and then pay vendors via methods they accept. For those interested in learning more about Plastiq or exploring how it can help with your financial needs, be sure to click on the link in the description below. This link will take you to resources that provide detailed information on how to get started with Plastiq and maximize its benefits for your business or personal expenses. In conclusion, while Plastiq offers a flexible way to manage large payments without hitting traditional banking limits, it's essential to understand the service's restrictions and fees. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your payments or an individual seeking to earn rewards on your expenses, Plastiq can be a valuable tool in your financial toolkit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.